Seen too much lives lost, and one life is one more than enough, and we are not going to tolerate any further escalation of any criminal activity that will take our people's lives. We will give those criminal elements no quarters, and we will go out there and ensure that our people are protected. We will work jointly with our counterparts in the police service, and that is what we promise the people of South Africa to say. We are not going to allow those who do not have the right to carry arms to terrorize our people. We are going to ensure that the state apparatus takes full responsibility and ownership and say, we are the only ones who are empowered to have the monopoly of force. And we'll carry those arms. And if you challenge us, we will show those criminal elements that this is the state, and ensuring that we are going to enforce by any means the law of order. In our training, as the South African National Defence Force, we do have models that caters for most of the cooperation arrangements that must be conducted when working with the police. We also plan during our preliminary arrangements that we will do our own combat readiness training, and at a later stage, when we are to prepare for a final mission, we do joint mission readiness training. And that is the training that we conduct together. That is the training that harmonizes our way of doing things. Among things, we look at the rules of engagement and how we should be conducting communication amongst ourselves. And that is primarily what it entails, because we had been working together not only in Valumgodi. During the taxi violence in the Cape, we were together. During the earlier iteration of gang violence in Western Cape, we were together. So there had always been cooperation between the police and the defense. So this is not new. So Sandu must be informed that there is no training that is not sufficient, because mission readiness training specifically deals with the areas where we are going to cooperate and emphasize on those parts that requires engagement, and lessons learned that we have made during the previous conduct of operations. And those are some of the things that we include in mission readiness training.